Daddy soda. Daddy soda. Mo, you can't get in the cabinet when you're sitting on the chair. See, the doors won't open, the drawers won't open. Do you want to get down and move the chair? Well, get down and move the chair. You're going to have to get down and move the chair. What's that? You want Mama to move the chair? You're going to have to get out of it, please. Get down.